Hi, again, my name is Jen, and I will be demonstrating how to sync your local AD to Office 365 in preparation for a hybrid exchange setup. So I have my Active Directory set up on a domain joined Windows Server 2012, and I have my users right here, and these are the users that I want to sync to Office 365. Now on the left side, this is my Office 365 tenant. Now to start the synchronization, first let's go ahead and download the application, the DearSync. Just click download, which will take a few seconds. And then we are going to install this. Run. Okay, and before installing the Azure AD Connect app, you have to make sure that you have passed all the requirements to install the application. That includes the latest .NET framework, all your updates for your server, and you have your Active Directory set up. Okay, and also the latest PowerShell. All right, so here's the app. Just click I agree and then continue. All right, I'm going to use Express settings. And we'll just let it install. Now it will ask for your Azure AD Global Administrator, so it means this is the Office 365 admin account. And you have to enter your password for that admin. And next. Okay, verify that the credentials for Office 365 are correct. Now it will ask us for the admin account that we have for the local Active Directory. Okay, so that will be my admin account will be this, and that will be my login. And it is using the local, so let me just go ahead and change that. Let's see if it will accept it, since I just configured it again. And it did. All right, yep, now it has our customized domain, which is trainingdemo2013.tech, and I already had verified this domain over an Office 365 in preparation for our synchronization. So as you can see, this is already added and verified and set as default. Okay, so all we have to do is select that. We can't add the .local since this is a non-routable domain. We can go ahead and click next. Okay, and then I'm just going to automatically start the synchronization. And then I'm going to check that because this is in preparation for our hybrid exchange deployment. Install and wait for it to finish. Still going through with the installation. We are almost at the end of the configuration and we should be done here after a few minutes. All right, so our configuration is completed and we're good to go. So earlier I select the express settings, so we didn't have a chance to select the OUs that will be synchronized to Office 365. So we can do that later, or we can unselect or rerun this Azure Active Directory Connect application and then select the custom settings and then select the organization units that you only want to synchronize to Office 365, which is usually just users or specific OUs that you want to reflect on Office 365. So you can definitely do that. But for now, we use the Express settings and our AD Connect is running and check. So while it is running, we won't be able to force it to rerun. You have to wait for it to finish. And seems like it already did. So as you can see here, This is our, these are the users that we have on premises. Okay, and it got synchronized. So I have a few users and all of them are sync. Now let me choose or edit the columns and select sync status so we can see and verify that they are indeed sync. So you can see these are synchronized. All right, there we go. Thank you so much. And if you want, I'm going to make another video with the OU filtering just so you can verify.